Kate here with WTI. Now you may have heard of or used a regular air fryer, but have you ever seen a dual air fryer? This amazing appliance has two separate baskets. This is a game changer. So you have two options. You can either have them match cook, which means that they will both be at the same temperature for the same amount of time. That just doubles your cooking space. Or you can have them separate. So you can have two different items, two different temperatures, two different cook times. It's really user-friendly, very easy to personalize for exactly what you're cooking. It also has a whole bunch of preset settings. So you can do fries, steak, chicken, pizza, vegetables, toasting, shrimp, fish, all kinds of things. So many amazing options. It has a light so you can see what's going on inside. I love that. You can pause your cooking so you can give it a little shake. There's the shake button. The baskets are also a really nice, generous size, so you can put a lot of food in it. Perfect for a family. You can get your whole meal cooked in one spot without all that added oil. It's non-stick, so the baskets clean up very easily. It also has these removable racks which have rubber feet so that they don't scratch up your basket. The base of the air fryer itself also has rubber feet so that it's not slipping around. It's nice and secure on your countertop. But it's an essential appliance to add to your kitchen. You will absolutely love it. It makes everything so crispy. It heats things up fast. There's nothing better than leftovers in an air fryer versus a microwave. You're gonna so love it, and that's my point of view.